कुंज विहारी जया राधा माधव कुंज विहारी जय गोपीजन वल्लभ गिरिवरधारी जय गोपीजन वल्लभ गिरिवरधारी यशोदनंदन व्रज जनरंजन यशोदनंदन व्रज जनरंजन यमुना तेरा वनचारी यमुना तेरा वनचारी जय राधा माधव कुंज विहारी जय गोपीजन वल्लभ गिरिवरधारी यशोदनंदन व्रज जनरंजन यमुना तेरा वनचारी जय राधा माधव कुंज विहारी जय श्री कृष्ण चैतन्य प्रभु नित्यानंद श्री अद्वैत गदाधर श्रीवासादि गौरभक्तवृंद जय श्री कृष्ण चैतन्य प्रभु नित्यानंद श्री अद्वैत गदाधर श्रीवासादि गौरभक्तवृंद हरे कृष्ण 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 हरे 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 राम 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 हरे हरे कृष्ण 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 हरे 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 राम 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 हरे हरे कृष्ण 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 हरे 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 राम 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 हरे 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 कृष्ण 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 हरे 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 राम राम हरे 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 कृष्ण 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 हरे 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 राम 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 हरे 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 कृष्ण 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 हरे 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 राम 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 हरे 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 कृष्ण 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 हरे 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 राम राम हरे 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 कृष्ण 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 हरे 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 राम राम हरे हरे कृष्ण 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 हरे 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 राम राम हरे 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 कृष्ण 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 हरे हरे राम Gurudev, 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 Jai Srila Gurudev. हरिनाम संकीर्तन महोत्सव की जय, भक्ति वेदांत स्वामी शिल प्रभुपाद महाराज की जय, निताय गौर प्रेमानंद हरि हरि बोल। ओम नमो भगवते वासुदेवाय, ओम नमो भगवते वासुदेवाय, ओम नमो भगवते वासुदेवाय। नारायणं नमस्कृत्य नरं चैव नरोत्तमं देवीं सरस्वतीं व्यासां ततो जयमुदीरयेत्। नष्टप्रायेषु भद्रेषु नित्यां भागवत सेवया भगवते उत्तम श्लोके भक्तिर्भवति नैष्ठिकी। So we shall be venturing into Srimad Bhagavatam, Canto 3, text 24, text 6 onwards, the renunciation of Kardama Muni. Is it correct? I'm the right sloka or not?
Yes, Prabhuji.
He says, तस्यां बहुतिथे काले भगवान् मधुसूदनः कर्दमं वीर्यमापन्नो जग्नेरग्निरिव दारुणी। तस्यां बहुतिथे काले भगवान् मधुसूदनः कर्दमं वीर्यमापन्नो जग्ने अग्निरिव दारुणी। तस्यां बहुतिथे काले भगवान् मधुसूदनः कर्दमं वीर्यमापन्नो जग्नेरिव दारुणी। What meaning? तस्यां in Devuti bhutithe kale, after many years, Bhagavan, the Supreme Person of Godhead, Madhusudanaha, the killer of the demon Madhu, Kardamam of Kardama, Viryam, the semen, Apannaha entered, Zagne, he appeared, Agnihi, fire, Eva like, Daruni in the wood. Translation and purport by His Divine Grace, Bhaktivedanta Swami Srila Prabhupada. Jai Srila Prabhupada. After many years, the Supreme Person of Godhead, Madhusudana, the killer of the demon Madhu, having entered the semen of Kardama, appeared in Devuti just as fire comes from the wood in a sacrifice. Om Ajnana Timirandhasya Jnananjana Salakaya Chakshuntavenam Tasmai Sri Guruve Namah. Sri Chaitanya Manobhishtam Stapitam Yena Bhutale Swayam Rupakadamayam Dadati Supadantikam Bande Aham Sri Guru Shada Padakamalam Sri Guru Vaishnavam Cha Sri Rupam Sagarajatam Sagana Raghunathan Vitantam Sajibam Sadhutam Savadutam Brajana Saitam Krishna Chaitanya Devam Sri Radha Krishna Padan Sagana Lalita Shri Vishakhan Vitam Cha He Krishna Karuna Sindhu Deen Bandhu Jagatpate Gopesa Gopika Kanda Radha Kanda Namastute Tapte Kanchana Gaurangi Radhe Vrindavaneshwari Brajavanusuti Devi Pranamami Hari Priye Vangsha Kalpataru Vaishya Kripa Sindhu Vayavacha Patita Nama Pavani Vyo Vaishnavebhyo Namo Namah. Jai Sri Krishna Chaitanya Prabhu Nityananda Sri Advaita Gadadhara Sri Vasadi Gaur Bhakta Vrinda Hare Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram 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 Hare Hare. Namo Vishnu Padaya Krishna Pishtaya Bhutale Srimate Jayapataka Swami Nityanamane Namo Acharya Padaya Nitaya Kripa Pradayane Gaurgasada Madaya Nagar Gramatarane Namo Vishnu Padaya Krishna Pishtaya Bhutale Srimate Bhaktivedanta Swami Nityanamane Namaste Saraswati Devi Gaurvani Pracharani Nirvishesha Sunyavadi Pashyadade Satarane. Jai Srila Prabhupada. Due to the Anukampa of Srila Prabhupada and blessings of the Vaishnavas and Gurus, and with the help of you great soul, Srimad Bhagavatam is flowing like a river, unending, going on and on and on. So we are hearing Maitreya from Maitreya. Maitreya saying, Tasyam Bhautithi Kale. A long time has passed. Long time has passed. Bhagavan Madhusudanaha. For the Lord to appear. In what way? Kardamam Viryam Mapanno. Entering the semen of Kardama. Jagni Agniriva Daruni. As the fire is already in the firewood, but never to be seen. All the fires are in the fire, but not to be seen. Therefore, the Lord, out of His own compassion, entered. Let us see what Prabhupada is saying. It is clearly stated here that the Lord is always Supreme Personality of Godhead. He doesn't need anyone's help. He is Atma Ramaha. He is everything that is, that was, and that will be. But playing is pastime. He does wonderful activities. And he says, although he appeared as a son of Kardama Muni, he appeared as a son of Kardama Muni. Fire is already present in the wood, but by certain process, fire is kindled. Similarly, God is all pervading. Further, Prabhupada is saying, He is everywhere. And I used to sing that song. Hari Vyapaka Sarvatra Samana प्रेम ते प्रकटे सही मैं जाना मंगल भवन मंगल हारी सुनहु दशरथ अजिर बिहारी हरि व्यापक। भगवान तो हर कण में हर जगह हैं, सर्वत्र समान और बराबर है, ये नहीं कि कहीं ज्यादा कहीं कम। तो फिर प्रेम ते प्रकटे, सबरी का प्रेम जंगल में हुआ तो भगवान वहां पहुंच गए जंगल में। किसी का मीरा का प्रेम दरबार में होता तो वहां पहुंच गए। प्रेम से प्रकटे, भगवान प्रेम से प्रकट होते हैं। और कैसे प्रेम से? अहतुकी अप्रतिहता, जिसमें अपने लिए कुछ ना हो। अगर हमारे लिए कुछ हो तो वो हो भक्ति, कि प्रभु ये भक्ति मेरी है, इसको मत छीनना, इसको बढ़ा सकते हो तो बढ़ाओ लेकिन कम मत करना। तो हरि व्यापक सर्वत्र समान। He is everywhere, and since he may come out from everything, he appeared in his devotee semen, just as an ordinary living entity takes his birth by taking shelter of the semen of the certain living entity. The Supreme Personality of Godhead accepts the shelter of the semen of his devotee and comes out in the sun. You know the beauty. We eat food. Now we have no idea the food that I'm eating, it will help my eyesight, it will help my the bone marrow, it will help my muscle, it will help my skin, it will help my hearing senses, it will generate semen. Same food eaten by the male and female, out is different. Isn't it amazing? What an amazement of Krishna. If you try to understand even one thing, you will get bewildered. Everything same. The same food that we eat, we become stout and strong. And after the same food we eat, we get disease. Diabetes, hypertension, ulcer, migraine, everything. Same food, no change in the food. Now what is the mechanism that the Lord has created inside? Amazing. And only He could do that, nobody else. Only He could do that. Further he says, this manifests His full independence to act in any way. And it does not mean that He is an ordinary living entity forced to take birth in the certain time in the womb. Lord Narasimha appeared emergence incarnation. Lord did not have time to choose his mother and father. Emergence incarnation. Lord Baraha appeared from the nostril of Brahma. Now inside the nostril of Brahma there is no semen. Nobody had copulated it. So how it came out? And Kapila appeared from the semen of Kardama. And Brahma appeared from nowhere, from the lotus. Now if you see in any flower, maximum some living entity, some creature will be born. You would have never heard that from the flower a man will be born. And Sri Radha also appeared on the top of the lotus. Amazing, isn't it? We have seen only the insects, they take shelter on the top of the flower and they come alive. But here Brahmaji coming on the top of, and is on top of the navel cord is some millions of kilometers long. It's not like our we have 1.5 feet, 2 feet, no, millions of kilometers long. And along it was, Brahma tried to find the source, he came down, it took him only 1,000 years to climb down. And he thought, oh my God, there is no end to it, so let me go up. Amazing Krishna, isn't it? How things are happening within our sight. See, you eat same dal puri, I eat same dal puri, you got a different idea, I got a different idea. If dal puri is same, dal bhati is same, so why different idea? We should have the same idea, no? You have got different tone of voice, I have got different tone of voice. Why not same? Amazing. Krishnena adbhuta karmana. So this time he decided to appear. Now you might say, why many years? Isn't it? Why many years? Krishna could have done immediately. No. He wanted his devotees also to satisfy with their sense gratification. Otherwise, they will leave this behind. Oh my God, I have not done this, I have not done that, I have not done this. And then Krishna only appeared when their bhakti was perfected. And it took them many years. And look at all of us. We simply want to go back to the Godhead immediately now. They have taken thousands and thousands of years to perfect the bhakti. And we eating masala dosa, and we say, okay, now we'll go to Golotam. So, we need tapasya. We need mercy. We need to be endeavor. Then only we can achieve. Here, Lord is known as Madhusudana. Madhu was a demon. Madhusudana, they were the demon. Sudana, Madhu was a demon. So, Lord appeared inside to destroy the demon. We all have the demon within our heart. Or maybe much worse than the Madhu and Kaitava. You may not know. Because they are residing as a friendly guest. So Krishna appeared to destroy the Madhu and Kaitava demon from the heart of the devotee. And when the demons are destroyed, or let us say when the papas are destroyed, then fructify Krishna. Then we are subservient to Paramatma, and the Paramatma guides, and then we enjoy the life. But whole our endeavor, you see, we never do anything to please Krishna. Why don't we please ourselves? अब प्रभु जी आज सुबह चांदी में मजा आ गया. अरे तुम्हारे मजे का क्या लेना देना भाई? तुम्हारे मजे से कोई लेना देना नहीं है. क्या भगवान को मजा आया? हमने ऐसा कर दिया. ओ प्रभु जी मैं तीर्थ यात्रा में मजा आ गया. अरे भाई तुम्हारी मजा से लेना देना नहीं है, भगवान की मजा से लेना देना. भाई ये बात हम सब अपने लिए करते हैं. जैसा परसों बात कर रहे थे, सब कुछ बना अपने लिए, भगवान को एहसान कर दिया. कुछ भी हो जाए, कभी भगवान से हम पूछ ही नहीं जाते क्या करना है, कैसे करना है. करते हैं ना, हम तो भगवान के भक्त हैं प्रभु. लेकिन यहां देखिए, देवहूति और कर्दमा को कई सालों तक जो है तपस्या करनी पड़ी विद सेंस ग्रेटिफिकेशन. लेकिन वो ऋषिकेश सेवन मुच्यते. that all sense gratification was for helping Krishna. Why? To do the progeny. And the 9 daughters of Kardama Muni, they are married to the sons of Brahma. So they say once, Brahmaji came with the 10 sons at the hermitage of Kardama Muni, and he had a desire that you have such a beautiful daughter, they are adorned with the divine power, please, will you allow them to marry to my children? But the problem was their daughters are 9 and sons are 10. So there was a commotion. Oh, what has happened? What has happened? Narada just got up. He said, as you all know, I have taken a vow to remain celibate through my life. So I am out of the contest. And Brahmaji became very happy. Now 9 sons and 9 daughters. Bah, 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 bah. I'll tell you, I had written somewhere. I hope I can find them here. Please give me a second. I'll try to find them out. I know some name, but don't know the names. Sometime becoming old, you don't know what is happening here. I just want to release their name and their husbands. Yeah. Their daughter was Kala, Anusuya, Shraddha, Haribhu, Gati, Kriya, Khyati, Arunadhiti, and Shanti. So, Kala married to Marichi, Ansuya married to Atri, Shraddha married to Angira, Haribhu married to Pulastya, Gati married to Pulaha, Kriya married to Kratu, Khyati married to Bhrigu, Arunadhiti married to Vasishtha, and Shanti married to Atharva. So, these are the daughters who were married to the sons of Brahma. And what was their job? Progeny. Why progeny? Because in the different, the previous devastation, so many souls were without body. And they couldn't go back home, back to the Godhead, because they had a leftover desire. So in order to fulfill the desire, the Lord has to arrange some physical body for them, in any shape, among 8.4 million species. And these people were the helm of affair to create progeny. So that's why even the sense gratification was for the cause of Krishna, because he, in order to elevate these so many souls, they had to do this act. And that's why it took them many years. Okay, the Lord, Prabhupada says, always remains the Lord, even if he appears as a son of a particular devotee. The word Kardamam is significant, for it indicates that the Lord had come. Lord had some devotional affection or relationship in devotional service with Kardama and Devhuti. But we should not mistakenly understand that he was born just like an ordinary living entity from the semen of Kardama Muni in the womb of Devhuti. It's all divine arrangement. And as I said, Krishnena Adbhuta Karmana, his acts are very difficult to understand. No way. I think I was telling in this class or that class. Lord Shiva is telling Uma, Aham beti, Sukham beti va. I know, Sukadeva Goswami also know. Vyasa veti na veti va. But Vyasadeva knows or don't know, I have no idea. Because he's so good. Because even Sankarsana, singing the glories of Krishna with unlimited mouth, For unlimited number of times, eternal time, it is not complete. So what it shows, even he doesn't know full. If he knows full, then he will pray to stop, right? No, he is singing and singing, and Lord Shiva is saying, I know, Sukha knows. What is Sukha? Representative of a devotee. So he says, I know. Sukha may know. Vyasa may know, I don't know. May not know. Full. Because if he would have known, why we are disturbed, thinking that I have not done the proper justice to my writings. So Krishnena Adbhuta Karmana. Very, very difficult to really understand how Krishna is. As I'm saying, whatever food we eat, we have never an idea. Some will go in my bone marrow, some will go in my brain tissue, hair will come out, hearing it will be okay, eyesight will be okay, nothing like that. We just gobble it up inside. Now who is working inside? We don't know. Aham Vaishwanaro Bhuta. Lord is saying, I am as a Vaishwanara taking care of everyone. Whether human being or birds or insect or reptile or a beast, everything is working. What a kind of mechanism Krishna has created. Everything is on auto mode. Everything is on auto mode except karma. Karma is on auto mode. Karma we have to perform. We have to execute. And then Krishna is saying, okay, not just like that. Anybody say I'm doing karma? No. Karmano hi api bodhabhyam. Bodhabhyam cha vikarmanaha. Akarmanasya bodhabhyam gahana karmano gatihi. Mari Arjuna, you should know what karmas are. What akarmas are. What vikarmas are. Because the intricacy of our karmas is very, very difficult. And Sonaka Rishi says, Taruva kim na jivanti, Vashra kim na seshunnataha, kim na khadanti na mehanti, grame pasuve pare. Taruva kim na jivanti, are the trees not living? They are also living beings. Vashra kim na seshunnataha. Or the bag of black bull Smith is not pumping. Na khadanti na mehanti. Grame pasve pare. Are these domestic animals not eating and discharging semen? What is the difference between them and us? Dharmo hitesham adhiko vishesho. Dharma is the one which is segregate us from the animalistic life, not from animal, animalistic life. Even we, many times we act like as a beast, an animal. Many times. Why? Because of our previous, the karma that we are carrying on, the influences you are carrying on, the impressions that we are carrying on. Sometimes we act haphazardly. Sometimes somebody cracks the joke, you laugh. Sometimes you get very angry. How dare you say this to me? For nothing. So, dharmo hitesham adhiko vishesho. So, dharma distinguishes from animal and animalistic life to the human being. So, Lord was very pleased with the devotion of Kardama and Devhuti, and he appeared as their son. And when they appeared as the son, what happened? Kardama Muni developed the renunciation. He developed the renunciation. Devhuti wanting to know, what is the purpose of life, my dear son? Please tell me. Because I'm a lady, I have a small brain, and I don't understand. And understand why Kardama left the home. Why did he leave the home? Now we have God with us. Now we have everything with us, and he left home. Why like that? What is this? So, bhakti is individual. You have to perform your own bhakti. You know, in Bihar, generally people are very educated. So somebody asks, how people are educated? Well, whenever exam takes place, anybody exam, his full family is outside and trying to feed him the question, the answers. So behind one person there are 6-7 people answering the question and sending it on top, and they always come first. It's a joke, but without the help of others we are nothing. Without the help of others. So if you have the help of Krishna, then we have got everything. And we seek the help from everybody except Krishna. Oh, this Prabhu might help, that Prabhu might help, this will help, that will help. And we know Krishna can help, but no, forget about Krishna. He may help, he may not help. But that Prabhu might help. This is our faith in Krishna. And I have my personal experiences how much faith I have in Krishna. During that accident, I was praying Krishna, please don't disturb me by chanting Hare Krishna Mahamantra. No? Let me sleep for some time. If I don't chant for 1 or 2 days, 3 days, 4 days, nothing will happen to you. Please don't disturb me. I don't want to chant. Why? Because Nindra Devi is calling me, come on my dear, sleep on my lap. And Krishna is not letting me sleep. And I am fighting with Krishna. No. I want to sleep. Sound sleep. This is what our faith in Krishna. The whole idea is, Kardama and Devati took many years because they were doing the devotional service, or their desires were not satisfied. Krishna made sure their desires are satisfied. And in the end, they really got what they want. And what wants in the end? The favor of the Lord. Directly or indirectly. Kardama got indirectly, Devati got directly. But both are the same. Krishna, direct or indirect, one are the same. They are the magnanimity of the Lord. And they are the magnanimity of Srila Prabhupada. See, today, in thousands and thousands homes, temples, everywhere, the Bhagavata may be sung, may be read, may be understood, may be preached. Why? Because just he had desire. And what was his desire? To fulfill the order of his Guru. And what was the Guru's desire? Prithivite achi nagar adi gram sarvatra prachar hai wo mero naam. So very simple, right? So everybody has the same desire what Krishna desires. And anyone who exists is always successful. In our all endeavor, we are many times unsuccessful. Because we are doing it for ourselves. But you do for Krishna, everything will be so easy, so smooth. So Kardama got, Devhuti got the favor of the Lord. And the Lord is going to now, through them, is going to teach us the Sankhya philosophy, which is highest level also and at the basic level also. Those who pay attention, it's very the basic level and we can understand. And those who don't understand, is for them is a hey, wow, too much. So this is for this year of 2021. This will be the last Bhagavatam class here along with you for 221. What happened 22? Krishna knows. I don't know. So I thank you very much for all of you to keep giving me an opportunity to remember something about Krishna, to tell about something the devotees of Krishna, to relish few time and enjoy the moment that I have invested and spent with you all. Thank you very, very much. Hare Krishna.